Whew. Been a while. We've been working on something really cool. I've actually been working on this for a couple of years. We spent the last few months finalizing it, getting it all done, and getting it printed. I'm talking, of course, about Foamsmith 3. That's right, the stunning conclusion of the Foamsmith series, how to make props and costumes and armor out of EVA foam. And this is the final installment of the trilogy. As you can see, we have many copies ready to go, and you can order them right now over at punishprops.com and grab a copy, either one of these delicious, really good smelling print books, or you can get yourself a digital copy for you or a friend. And if you're new to the series, you can now get the entire trilogy, again, print or digital, right at punishprops.com. Foamsmith 1 was all about making costume armor out of EVA foam. Foamsmith 2 was making props out of EVA foam. And Foamsmith 3 is all about making headgear, helmets, crowns, masks, everything you could dream up to put on your head, you can make out of EVA foam, and this book shows you how. For example, you could make a really cool looking crown, or even better, a really amazing looking dwarven style helmet, or even better, a crazy looking tree man mask, complete with light up eyes. This is by far our most ambitious book to date. Every little bit of this thing was made by Brittany and me. I did all the photos and I did all the words. Britt did all the layout and all the editing. The reason why it looks so good is because Brittany just nailed it. There's even a couple of illustrations in there from Paige. Thanks, Paige. So what's in this delightful tome? Well, there's 187 pages that are chock full of wonderful instruction and examples, but there are also almost 900 photos. I know because I took them all and I counted them. It took a while. I'm also super stoked to offer 3 example patterns that you can download for free, print out, or use as vector file to laser cut your own pieces for all 3 of these projects. You can grab them, get some foam, and try as soon as you get your hands on this book to make one of these fantastic masterpieces. This book is everything I know about making headgear out of EVA foam, including a bunch of great stuff like detailed examples on how to make patterns completely from scratch. Also, a bunch of new materials have come out in a couple of years, like foam clay, and we cover that. In fact, that's what this guy is made out of. Also, we got a whole bunch on visors. So hard to make visors. Totally covered. And then a whole bunch of really fun, fancy finishing techniques. And again, you can get this over at punishprops.com right now. All books that you buy from our website get signed by me, and they all smell great. I am so stoked for you guys to get your hands on this book, dive through it, and start making wonderful creations. We have a whole pile of books ready to go right over there, and I'm sure one of them has your name on it. Thank you so much for checking out the new book. I'm so stoked for you to get your hands on it, and I'm even more excited to see what you make. Thanks so much for watching. We'll be back soon with some really cool foam projects, and we'll see you in the next build.